This program is brought to you by realestate.com.au, Australia's #1 address in property. With more properties for sale than anywhere else, we make it easier.
Welcome back. Let's get across those auction results from the weekend. Across the country, 1,175 auctions, a clearance rate of 50%, so a lot lower than it was not long ago. Starting in Sydney, 435 auctions, 48% the clearance rate. Melbourne, 370 auctions, a bit higher at a 56.5% clearance rate. Brisbane, just 63 auctions and a clearance rate of only 36.5%. Adelaide, 46 auctions, a clearance rate just shy there of... I've got 60% written there, but it says 36.5. Lastly, in the capital, there were 52 auctions, a clearance rate of 63.5% in Canberra. For more details on these numbers, let's bring in Anne Flaherty, the economist at REA Group, who is live from Melbourne. And thanks for your time. A continuing trend of lower clearance rates. Where is the market at then?
Yeah, we've been seeing clearance rates decrease since the start of the year. So back at the end of last year, we were seeing clearance rates as high as 80%. Over the weekend, as you said, around 50%. So they've come down quite a lot. We also think that they're likely to go lower as we head further into winter and as interest rates continue to increase.
So are we going to see a situation where people that can afford to sit on property, in particular investment property, just wait till the market looks a bit better, and once clearance rates go down, you see listing rates go down? It's sort of a bit of a chasing cycle.
I mean, there's probably some people in that boat, but actually we've seen an unseasonably high number of people put their properties up for sale. So over June, we actually saw more people put their properties up for sale on the market than any other June over the past 10 years. So it is actually a good time to be a buyer in a sense, because there are more properties for sale out there at the moment. But at the same time, on realestate.com.au, we've actually seen a decrease in the number of people searching to buy. So there's less competition out there and slightly more properties.
The other issue, aside from softening clearance rates, going the other way, rent prices. So major capital cities are seeing declines maybe in the actual prices of buying, but rents are going the other way. What's happening there?
Yeah, we've seen an incredibly fast rate of rent growth. Rents have risen at the fastest rate in 7 years, and they're likely to speed up even further. What's really happening is a lack of supply. So there's a few reasons. One is that we saw a lot of property investors sell up over the last few years, capitalising on those enormous gains. What that's done is reduce the overall pool of available rental properties. We've also now seeing population growth return, and we're also seeing the average household size has decreased slightly since over the last few years. So all of that is increasing competition in the rental market.
And a few, no doubt, trying to make up for those interest rate increases as well. And thanks very much for your time.